Okay, so I've finished cutting it and I put it on here, and it was still just slightly too high on the rear mount right here. And if you remember in the last video, I didn't take out the material all the way to the line because I was afraid that by the time it went from here to here that it would be too much. So I left a little bit too much material in. So I had to take out about 1/16 of an inch along the back side back here. All right, so now just to check our measurements, we want 3/8 of an inch difference from the front to the rear. And if I can get in here to it, this right here, hold on, I apologize about all the, it's kind of hard to do this and hold the tape and everything all at one time. This is, I don't know if you can see it just right, but it is 21.5 inches to the top of the control arm front mount. So the rear one should be 21 1/8. If I can get on it right down here level. Anyway, and it is 21. It is 21 1/8. Give or take a 32nd, which I think is close enough. All right, so, and then the shock mount from top of shock mount to top of shock mount, which is the same thing as center to center, is going to give you 12 1/2 inches, which is what you want. So it's square on the frame. It lines up exactly square with the cross member that we mounted underneath it. It is directly on the lines of the frame, which is the same lines that the cross member's on. And then you can see that where I cut it more on the rear and less on the front, so that it's square with the axle, with the spindle, and not square with the frame. You don't want it square with the frame. It won't be right. So let's finish mocking it up, and then we can check our the face of the disc brake mount to make sure that it's make sure it's in the middle of the bubble and it's at 0, and then we can finish tacking it.